Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Cam battery, quick install step by step clearly. Start by unpacking the Nest Cam battery from its box. Lay out all components to ensure you have everything you need. Identify the mounting hardware included in the package. Check the battery charge level. If the battery is low, connect it to the charger until fully charged. Choose a suitable location for your Nest Cam. Ensure it's within range of your Wi-Fi network for optimal performance. Use the mounting template provided to mark drill holes on the wall. Drill the holes at the marked spots. Insert the anchors into the drilled holes if needed. Align the mounting bracket with the holes and secure it with screws. Attach the Nest Cam to the mounting bracket. Adjust the camera angle for the best view of the area you want to monitor. Download and open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Setup Device and then choose New Device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Scan the QR code displayed on your camera with your mobile device. Once connected, customize the camera settings according to your preferences. Test the camera feed to ensure it's capturing the desired area. Mount the camera securely if needed. Finalize your installation by checking all connections. Your Nest Cam battery is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.